What's going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name is Logan.
My name is Francesca.
And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this.
This is the Mac Studio, as you've seen in the thumbnail. And
here we go.
Can't wait to get into this unboxing, so let's get right into it. Here we go. Okay, ready? I'm not exactly sure how this. Oh, okay, yeah, this is the top. Oh, yes, it opens this way. Oh, yes.
Mac Studio.
How big is this thing? I mean, you can never tell from the videos how big these things really are.
So that is as much unboxing as we're gonna do. Don't want to rip it up. So this is what it's supposed to look like.
This
right
is it.
there.
Okay, ASMR. Yes. Oh, I think it's like this. Yes, it's like this. Oh, let me get the smell. The classic beautifuls. Here, let's start with the paperwork. Do we got apple stickers? Gotta have apple stickers. Oh my god. Black apple sticker. That is a new one. And
so there's different compartments to this. We don't want to open it up fully.
So that's this, and here it is. Wow, this thing is bigger than a Mac Mini. Give me a break, man. And take out the power cable. That is the power cable. We're gonna put this to the side, this contraption, and here it is. Holy crap!
That's huge.
Let's get a load of this. How does this open? Here we go. Wow.
That is insane.
Wow.
That looks like a box.
Yeah.
Like a present.
And what do we got here?
We got a power cable. It's just a normal power cable with this and this.
Let's take a look at this. I think it's braided. Yes, it is. It is braided, ladies and gentlemen. Braided power cable. And it actually feels quite nice. It's not like sturdy. It's actually like,
yeah.
How does it feel?
So that is the Mac Studio.
Yeah, look from the back. Look at those ports. Wow. Let's take a look at the bottom. There you go. Mac Studio. This thing is so much bigger than I thought it would be.
I thought it would be a small little box.
But I know. This is huge.
Well.
So we are gonna bring it into next to the M1 Mac Mini. So let's go right there. So we are back, and the Mac Studio is up and running, and now we're going to start the setup right here. So let's go. English, please. Canada. Accessibility. Not now. And we're going to hook up to the Wi-Fi. We're not doing, remember, we're not doing any backups, so no. But I do have to sign into the Apple ID. You want to do a dark theme? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. And here it is, the beautiful studio display, Mac Studio. Now let's take a look at the About This Mac section. Can I make this bigger? No, I can't. As you can see, Mac Studio, Apple M1 Max with 32 gigs of RAM. Doesn't really say much. Let's go into System Report. 10 cores for the CPU. 24 core GPU, 5K display, a Retina LCD display. So according to this is not OLED, it's an LCD display if you were wondering. That is the setup of the Mac studio. Now let's go back to our studio.
That is it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and if you could please like, because we just unboxed this.
Beautiful.
This beautiful thing.
And don't forget to check out the studio display unboxing and our reviews for that coming in the next few days.
Yes.
Can't wait for you to see them, and we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
See you